Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Balik lagi ke channel saya ya. Hari ini kita mau repaint atau cat ulang Ninja, Mas Bro. Ini Ninja punya saya sendiri. Kita mulai dengan tahap awal pengecatan fairing depannya. Ini fairing udah saya dasar kemarin dan nggak sempet di videoin. Saya menggunakan bahan dari Diton Premium semua, dari mulai dasar hingga catnya nanti saya mau pakai Diton Premium. Oke Mas Bro, kita lanjut ke tahap pengamplasan ya, karena ini sudah di dasar. Mau saya amplas dengan amplas ukuran 800 biar permukaannya lebih halus. Oke, langsung aja simak videonya. Oke Mas Bro, setelah pengamplasan tadi ini kan mau saya buat dua warna, jadi saya bungkus seperti ini. Jadi bagian bawahnya putih, bagian atasnya hijau nanti Mas Bro. Jadi mengikuti gaya-gaya SSR begitulah. Oke ya, kita semprot pada bagian-bagian yang susah dijangkau nantinya, karena posisi ngecatnya nanti kan mau ditaruh, digeletakin. Jadi bagian-bagian dalamnya mau saya warnain dulu, saya semprot dulu biar enak. Kayaknya kalau kerja nggak ada musik itu kayaknya kurang semangat ya Mas Bro ya. Saya kasih musik ya biar sampean-sampean pada betah nontonnya. Oke ya Mas Bro, saya lapis pertama. Ini kita tunggu kering sekitar 15 menitan lah ya.
But it's too late now. I remember you and me, and how careless we could be.
All day and all night, we'd stay up, it felt so right. We were so young, we were so dumb. We would get drunk and then hook up. We were okay, we were alright, staying awake till the sunrise. We were in love, couldn't stop us, like a good drug, never enough.
We hook up in my car, driving so far, play your guitar, you'd show me your art. Let down our guards, think with our hearts, stare at the stars, we were never apart. Drinking too young, way too much fun, out in the sun, or in when it's gone. Took you to prom, dance to our song, dance all night long till the lights come on.
Now I remember everything, and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be. Long fights, it felt right, we were alive. We would go out, we were so loud, we were so proud, we had no doubts. Weekends and weekdays, we'd spend our own way. We were careless, we were fearless, we were reckless, time was precious.
We loved to waste time, whiskey and wine, drinking all night, asleep by your side. Finally alive, we would just drive, never arrive. Our journey was live, staying out late, testing our fate, running away. We live for today, young and so bold, never get old. Screw what we're told, we can't be controlled.
Now I remember everything, and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be.
be.
Oke ya Mas Bro, kita lihat hasilnya. Kita buka. Oke ya Mas Bro, tahap 1 selesai. Ini belum saya pernis karena masih banyak embel-embel yang belum saya tempelin di fairing ini, kayak stiker. Terus ini mau langsung saya pernis nanti. Oke, terima kasih sudah menonton. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.